Hello, welcome back. So lab 7, this is the final lab before we get into the big leagues here, the final test. So this one's going to be pretty straightforward again. Another report. I know you guys must be so excited to be in your drafting major writing papers. So you've got your lecture and discussion board. Make sure you're focusing on those, and then afterwards, you've got kind of two options here. So a lot of people, and it's a little late to be talking about this, but a lot of people, they don't really know what they're getting into. They go and get an education, and they really have no expectations. They sit there kind of curious, what's it going to be like in the market? How much are they going to make? What's the daily life going to be like? All kinds of questions, but not necessarily any answers in your head. So I want you guys to take the time and research it, like go ahead and get your head on right on what you should be looking forward to. So you can call companies, go on their web pages or whatever, but I want you to look at companies local to you. So if you don't live here in the Walker County area, that's fine to look at the companies around you. Say you live in Carolina for whatever reason. Look at those jobs. You don't have to look at the ones around here. But I want you to write down, this information about it, like duties, hopefully pay. If you can hear pay, that would be great, because that's really the one I'm looking for. Not for myself, but like, a lot of people have these grandiose ideas that you're going to get rich. Good luck. Nobody does. So, it's good to see that information especially. But, to get information like that, you're probably really going to have to talk with a silver to these companies. And if you go on their website, you're probably not going to find it. You can check places like I think it's salary.com and PayScale, and they'll give you rates, but they're usually a little higher than expected, I guess you would say. So, whatever it takes, just write a paper about it. And if you are already in the drafting field, instead of doing that, if you want, you can just write a 2-page paper about your workplace. So, you've got some options. If you do have a job in the field, you can still do the one-paper one, or one-page one. It's up to you. I'm not going to be picky. This one's actually as much for me as it is for y'all, because I'm always trying to learn about the companies around us and keep up with the pay rates so I can keep you all informed. So again, take it serious. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.